Myself, Dr. Sushma Jain, Associate Professor Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Today, I shall discuss about disconnection approach, Unit 4, Paper 8th A, MSc Final Chemistry. In this topic, I shall discuss about two group CC disconnection. If the two functional groups are present on different carbon atom, then CC bond is cleaved. If the two groups are present at 1,3 position, then the compound is called 1,3 difunctionalized compound. And if the two functional groups are present at 1,5 position, then compound called 1,5 difunctionalized compound. Now we take example of 1,3 difunctionalized compound. If the two groups are present at 1,3 position, then the bond cleaved between the 2 and 3 carbon atom. Here these are the two functional group present at position 1 and 3. Then disconnection can take place between 2 and 3. This disconnection can be takes place, and after disconnection we get synthons. And for producing synthon we employed synthetic equivalent. Now we can understood this type of the disconnection by taking example of beta hydroxy compounds. This is the target molecule. Here the two functional groups are present, ketonic group and hydroxyl group, and the position is 1, 2 and 3. So the disconnection can be takes place between 2 and 3. So here disconnection can be takes place, and after disconnection we get two synthon. One is the negative synthon and another is the positive synthon. Now for getting this type of the synthon, we employed this synthetic equivalent. By addition of the proton to this carbon atom, we get this synthetic equivalent, and here the removal of hydrogen as a proton and giving electron to this oxygen atom, so this oxygen becomes negatively charged. Here this carbon is positively charged, so this positively charged carbon and negatively charged oxygen makes the covalent bond. So we get this type of the synthetic equivalent. Now these are the synthetic equivalent for producing these synthons, and on reaction of these synthetic equivalent we can easily get the target molecule. Now what is the synthesis? By taking this synthetic equivalent, here we take CH3COCH3. The reaction of this starting material with base, the proton is removed from here and giving the electron to this carbon atom, so this carbon atom becomes negatively charged, and by abstraction of the proton by OH, the water molecule is eliminated here. So we get this type of the anion CH3COCH2 minus. This anions react with second molecule of ketone. So here this oxygen is more electronegative than this carbon atom, so electron can transfer to this oxygen atom. This carbon becomes positively charged and this oxygen becomes negatively charged. So this negatively charged carbon atom easily attack to this positively charged carbon atom and attached, and after attachment by single covalent bond we get this type of the molecule. And the reaction of this molecule with acid, we get the abstraction of acid from this H3O plus, H plus abstract by this O minus, and we get this molecule which is our target molecule. So we can easily be prepared our target molecule by these by this synthesis. Now we take another example for 1,3-cc disconnection. Here two group, one is the ketonic group and another is the OH group present at position 1 and 3. So disconnection can take place after 2. Here disconnection can take place, and after disconnection we get two synthon. One is the positive synthon and another is the negative synthon. And for getting synthetic equivalent of this synthon, the hydrogen is removed as a proton and giving electron to this oxygen atom. Here this carbon is positively charged, so this carbon and this oxygen make a covalent bond. So this type of the synthetic equivalent is obtained. And here this CH2 add a proton, so we get the synthetic equivalent for this synthon. So these synthetic equivalent are obtained. This synthetic equivalent can disconnected further, and after disconnection we get two synthon. This in this disconnection the functional group is present at position 1 and this is the 2, and the disconnection is takes place after 2 positions, so we can say easily 1,2-cc disconnection. And after this disconnection we get this positive synthon and this negative synthon, and for preparation of this positive synthon we attach a negative molecule Br to this positive charge carbon atom, and we get this synthetic equivalent for this synthon. And for getting this synthon we attach a proton to this carbon atom and we get the synthetic equivalent. These are the synthetic equivalent for producing this synthon and this synthetic equivalents for producing this synthon. Now here the another synthetic equivalent obtained here. This can also further disconnected, and for the disconnection of this molecule we use the FGI, and by the FGI we convert this molecule to this molecule. Here this is the ketonic compound. The ketonic compound is converted into the hydroxy compound by the FGI, and we disconnect this molecule. And after disconnection by 1,2-cc disconnection we get two synthon. One is the positive synthon. Here this is the positive synthon and this is the negative synthon. By preparation or we can say the formation of synthetic equivalent of this synthon, here the H is removed with its by the as a proton and giving electron to this oxygen atom. So this oxygen becomes negatively charged. This oxygen and this carbon make a covalent bond, so we can easily get the epoxide for the production of this synthon. And here CH2 minus add MgBr and we get Grignard reagent this type and easily get the synthetic equivalent for the production of this synthon. Now by the addition of these two synthetic equivalent we can easily form our target molecule. Now what is the mechanism for the synthesis of target molecule? Here these are the starting material for preparation of target molecule, and here we get epoxide, and the reaction of epoxide with second molecule of synthetic equivalent, the reaction takes place by the mechanism that the ring opening is takes place here. This carbon becomes positively charged and this oxygen becomes negatively charged. This positively charged carbon atom react with negatively charged carbon atom here, so a covalent bond is formed between this carbon and this carbon atom. Here the negative here the bond prepared between this carbon and this carbon atom is illustrated by here. This is the bond, and here O minus react with MgBr because Mg contain a positive charge, so OMGBr is formed here, OMGBr. This bond is this bond, this bond is this bond, and new bond is formed this bond. So a molecule is prepared easily by the reaction of epoxide with this compound. Now by hydrolysis of this compound, we can easily get this molecule, hydroxy molecule, which on oxidation gives the compound A. Now the preparation of the molecule B for the synthesis of our target molecule. Here we get CH3CHO. Here the reaction of this aldehyde with strong base such as O minus Me. The OMe abstract a proton from this aldehyde, and this aldehyde becomes negatively charged. So the anion is formed CH2 minus C double bond O H. Now the reaction of this anion with another synthetic equivalent CH3 CH2 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 Br is removed with its bonding electrons. So this carbon becomes positively charged, and this carbon and this carbon, which are oppositely charged, makes a covalent bond. So here this compound B is easily prepared by addition of these two compounds, one synthetic equivalent, another synthon. And here this is the mechanism, but actually we add this compound to this compound or synthetic equivalent for preparation of the compound B, and the reaction of compound A with any base OH minus it or OMe, it abstract a proton from here, and we get negatively charged synthon here, this negatively charged anion, negatively charged molecule, and this negatively charged molecule react with another molecule of B. Here this is the B molecule. In this B molecule, the oxygen is more electronegative than carbon atom. So the electrons of double bond shifted to this oxygen atoms, and this carbon becomes positively charged. So this end or this carbon add to this negatively charged carbon atom, and we get the another molecule of this type, which on protonation the proton is add to this O minus, and we get our target molecule. So we can easily prepare the target molecule by the reaction of A with B. Now the another example for 1,3-CC disconnection, the 1,3-dicarbonyl compound. Here the two ketonic group are present at position 1, 3. This is 1, 2 and 3, and the disconnection takes place between position 2 and 3. And after disconnection we get two synthon. This is the negative and this one is the positive synthon, and in this negative synthon, this synthon is stabilized by the resonance. Here these are the resonating structure of this synthon, and by the addition of proton to this synthon we get the synthetic equivalent A, and here this carbon is positively charged, so we attach the negative molecule or atom to this positively charged carbon atom. Here we attach X means negatively charged atom such as Cl, Br, and we easily get the synthetic equivalent B. Now the retrosynthesis analysis of target molecule, this type containing two ketonic group at 1,3 position, the disconnection takes place between 2 and 3. So we can get these two synthons, negative synthon and this positive synthon. This negative synthon add a proton, so we get synthetic equivalent this type, and here this is the positive synthon, and by addition of negative group such as OET, we obtain this synthetic equivalent, and by the addition of these two synthetic equivalent we easily get our target molecule. Here we get PHCOCH3. The reaction of this compound with base such as OET minus, the OET minus abstract a proton from here, so this carbon becomes negatively charged and ETOH is eliminated here. So here we obtain another molecule by the removal of this proton. We get PHCOCH2 minus. This molecule is stabilized by the resonance. Here oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, so electron is displaced to this oxygen atom and O becomes negatively charged and carbon becomes positively charged. This carbon and this carbon make a covalent bond here, so a double bond is created between this carbon and this carbon, which is appeared here. So another molecule formed here. These molecules are the resonating molecule of each other, and the reaction of this molecule by the another synthetic equivalent here, this synthetic equivalent here, what happened, the pi bond electron displaced to this carbon atom, so this carbon becomes negatively charged and this carbon becomes positively charged. Here O is minus, so positively charged carbon and O minus form a bond, covalent bond. So C double bond O formed here and CH2 becomes negatively charged. Here C double bond O formed here and CH2 becomes negatively charged. This CH2 minus react with another molecule. In this molecule OET is removed with its bonding electrons, so this carbon becomes positively charged. This positively charged carbon and this negatively charged carbon make a covalent bond between them, and the another molecule of this type is prepared. Here this bond is formed between this carbon and this carbon. This is here the CH2 group is present, which is called active methylene group, and by the reaction of OET minus with this CH2, the OET abstract a proton from here and ETOH is eliminated here. So here C becomes negatively charged and the electron delocalized from this carbon to this oxygen atom. This carbon becomes positive charge and this carbon becomes negative charge, so a bond is prepared between this carbon and this carbon and O becomes negatively charged. So the another structure is prepared here. Now by the protonation of this structure we get the target molecule. The mechanism is that the pi electron shifted to this carbon atom and the carbon becomes positively charged and this carbon becomes negatively charged. Here carbon positive, oxygen negative make a covalent bond. This negatively charged carbon atom abstract a proton from here and form CH2. This one is the CH2 and here CH. So we can easily get the target molecule. So by using the 1,3-CC disconnection, we can easily disconnect the 1,3-difunctionalized compounds and this compound can easily be synthesized. Thank you. 4 मिनट